Hello, and thank you for watching this video about replacing a drive bar on your V2 Swingliner. So it's very easy. What you need is a pair of wire cutters, or they call them dikes, and a pair of pliers, a Sharpie, and another drive bar. Now, the drive bars that I put on have a 3mm ball. If you have a T-Tech grip or maybe some other disposable grip, some of them have a bigger ball on the end, and you need to make sure that if you have a grip like that and you don't want to get a grip that has a smaller hole meant for the 3mm plunger, then you'll want to replace this drive bar with that one with that proper tip. So all we got to do here is take the pliers and just pull that out of there. Okay. Now, what I would do is take your new plunger bar, and these drive bars were really short. I just ordered a bunch of them so I could clip them off and do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and mark this right where the old one was. Now, one thing, if you feel like your machine sits too high on your hand or too low, you can always mark this longer or shorter so that it will sit where you want with your grip in your hand. So now that it's marked, I'm going to come through and snip it off. I'm going to double check that I got it right. It's pretty close. And now I just line it up in there. And now what you want to do is kind of get it, make sure it's going straight, and just apply pressure downward. I'm kind of holding this piece and just pushing in, and you'll feel it kind of seat in place. Just like that. Thanks for watching.